Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at a notary jurat. Now, this is a very common document that you'll be seeing in your notary work, but you may be wondering, what is the difference between this, a notary jurat, and an acknowledgement? So let's go through the two differences so you know when this document is applicable. So for an acknowledgement, you're confirming the signer's identity and that they're willingly signing the document. For an acknowledgement, the document can be signed before you see it. And so the signer is personally appearing before the notary to acknowledge this signature. Now, for a jurat, it's a little different. The document cannot be signed before it gets to you. So you're confirming that the signer is personally appearing before you and swearing or affirming an oath, and the document is going to be signed in your presence. So those are the two differences. An acknowledgement can be signed before it gets to you, and the jurat has to be signed in front of you with the sworn oath. So now that we know those key differences, let's fill out this document like we would in a notarization. So what we're doing for this does not have the original document attached to it. So we want to make sure we put the title of the document. So let's put a text box here for the title of the sample document that we're talking about. And we'll say Bill of Sale of Company. And we'll just put that there. And let's drag and drop the date of the document. And that looks good. So now here in the jurat portion, we are doing the oath, giving the oath to the signer. So I'm going to put a text box here, State of New York. Another text box, I'm going to drag and drop that. I'm going to say County of Orange. Subscribed and sworn to before me on this day. I'm going to press T for a text box, and I'm going to put 25th day of, and I'm going to drag and drop this text box, September. Another text box for 2025. And I'm going to put the signer's name. So I'm going to drag and drop the name of the signer, which is Grace, and put it on this line. Now this line can be left blank, or we can put additional information about Grace for clarification. So I'm going to press T for a text box, and I'm going to say owner of ABC company, and put that on this line. So now that I've put this information, I can make sure my oath is sworn, and I can start placing my signature and my seal. So I'm going to drag my signature here, and it's going to be my signature, and I'm going to place it here. And then I can press the hotkey of N for my seal, and that pops up, and I'll drag that here. Now I'll make sure that everything is the way that it should be before I go here and complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.